Hi, this is Linda with 60 Seconds of STEM. Today we're going to talk about the Replicator Plus from MakerBot. The Replicator Plus is a great plug-and-play 3D printer to get your students started with computer-aided design and 3D printing. With the ability to print over a Wi-Fi, USB cord, or a USB stick, the Replicator Plus is easy to integrate into your engineering design curriculum. To use the MakerBot, simply send your 3D file to the printer, use the dial to adjust your settings. When you're happy, hit print and watch your creation appear before your eyes. MakerBot provides sturdy, high-quality 3D printers that will be sure to last your school many years to come. So thanks for watching and see you next time.